Hello, it's Jeta, and today I thought I would film a little revise with me in the Christmas holidays. My mocks are at the end of January, so it's really time to get to work now, and I thought I would bring you along with me. I actually woke up pretty late this day though, and so I wanted to show that you can still be productive even if that happens. But I only ate a banana so that I could still eat lunch at a reasonable time, and then I just got ready for the day. Then I did some yoga with Adrian, as always, and in the practice she asked to think of a word for the day, and the first word that came to me was trust, and I think it sort of symbolised that trust in yourself, that you will be able to achieve the things that you need to do, and I think that trust can lead to a lot of ease. I felt less stressed. Okay, so as I said, I did wake up pretty late today, so I haven't actually done any revision yet. It is almost 12 now, so I am going to go and have lunch, and then after lunch I'm going to sit down at my desk, which is all clean now, which is very motivating. I'm going to sit down, do a couple of hours, have a few breaks, but mainly just work till dinner then, and revise, because I really need to do that now. I look like a bunny. This is actually funny. Okay, I'm still doing history notes. I got slightly sidetracked because my auntie and my granddad came over, so I did talk to them for a bit, but now back to work. I need to just continue with these history notes. I'm currently on chapter 4 of the textbook. I need to do chapter 5 and chapter 6 as well this Christmas holidays. I've already done chapter 1, 2, 3 and 7, so not a lot left, and once these are done it means that the whole of this topic, Wars of the Roses, which is about 25% of my grade, the notes are done, and then I can just memorise the facts. So I just keep telling myself all of these things to make myself feel less stressed. I'm gonna quickly fill this up though.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit.
I thought I would quickly explain how I make the notes. So I title each subsection with a question rather than just a headline. Then at the top I have the key information in the boxes, so that if I want a very quick glance as to facts I need to memorize, they're there, and then the notes follow on underneath in a bit more detail.
Not blue. Blue too.
I basically only focused on history today because I have a lot of summary notes to write. Even though normally I try to change up the tasks I do during a day, I really just need to do history. So yeah, I've literally got 2 little subtopics left to do and I'm done with chapter 4. But I'm gonna take a quick break because I'm just starting to get a bit foggy headed. So I'm either gonna do some dancing in the kitchen / living room with my sisters while my dad is making dinner, or I might just do some piano practice. So then in the evening I watched Iron Man with my family, and then me and my mum did some present wrapping, which was really fun. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I have just realised it is Christmas Day on the day that I am posting this, so Merry Christmas to those who celebrate it, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!